Here we go. Alright, so day one, Zermatt. It's a bit windy, it's a bit snowy. Chances of the mountain opening up are slim to none. So I'm not sure what we're going to do today. I'm probably going to edit the first video of my new SBX series or whatever. Get that done, and a couple of gym sessions, chill out. There's not much else to do really. But fingers crossed for tomorrow, eh? I'll see you then. Day two, still no love from Mother Nature. She's being a bit of a bitch. Weather's much nicer today though. The actual mountain's closed due to wind, so we can't get up there and enjoy the sunshine. But we're probably going to go for a hike today. Maybe a bike ride, we'll see. Probably leaning towards hike. But yeah, for now, just gonna go have breakfast, get everything ready, and then hopefully mid-afternoon the weather will clear up real nice and we'll go for a nice leisurely stroll up the mountain, maybe watch the sunset. So peace.
Mal was saying there's like there are old buildings.
Where are we hiking, Harold? Well, the sun finally came out, and would you get a look at that view? Anyone who's wondering why we're in Zermatt this week, considering there's not a whole lot of snow around, the main reason is because there's a glacier up on top of the Matterhorn basically, and we're going to go just ride the glacier basically for a few weeks, or not a few weeks, a few days. Try to get as much out of it as we can, try to get our boards ridden, try and get our snow legs back. It'll be a good time. Jan's excited.
Yeah guys, this is Adam here. Don't forget to smash his like button.
So for anyone interested, the reason why all of these buildings have these large rock outcroppings is because they used to store seed in those buildings and they didn't want no rats getting in and stealing all of the seed. Alrighty, on the opposite side of the Matterhorn from where we are, because we're on the Swiss side, on the Italian side is a town called Cervinia. And anyone who follows SBX will probably know that Cervinia is one of the stops for the Border Cross World Tour, and also where I blew my ACL. So it was a sad day, but I'm very excited to get back over there in a couple months. Although we won't be going over this specific hill, we'll drive around it because it's cheaper. And we have too much luggage, as you probably saw in the last video. So yeah, it takes less than an hour to get up the mountain and down the other side. So you can have breakfast in Switzerland, lunch in Italy, and then come back and have dinner back in Switzerland. It all really just depends on what kind of food you like most. Hey, if you like pasta, just stay on Italian side, but if you prefer like cheese, stay in Switzerland. So where we are right right now, this is usually all covered in snow. The resort goes all the way down to the town that we are staying in. We're currently, I think we're like 2 kilometers, about 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers away from the town. The gondola comes up through the middle here and it goes over the mountain to the top where the glacier is, which is where the snow is at the moment. But once winter sets in properly, you can ride all of this all the way down to the bottom. But during summer, it's all very green, it's all very warm, and there's lots of mountain biking, which I think we're going to be doing some of later in the week. So stay tuned for that if it happens. If it doesn't happen, then I just tease you all and you won't get to see anything. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of the walk because it's pretty bloody stunning. Day 3, we're on.
Guys, we've done edges on those boards. Yeah, but if they're not like it's one.
Disaster. As Dicko just said, it's been 1 hour since we started our trip up the mountain and we're still waiting in lines. Last lift though, hopefully. Living the dream. Living the dream. Who? That was a lot of flat and my feet hurt, but it was good to be back. Day 1 on snow complete. Pretty good. We came up from 1600 meters to 3200 meters. So pretty significant climb. Now we're gonna go head back to the house, do a gym session. Maybe I'll edit this video. But yeah, day 1 on snow complete. We'll be back up here tomorrow, but I think this is probably where I'll end this video. Until next time, which probably won't be too long. Adios.
No, they're cows. They've got tips. They've got behind
you. That's the shot, baby. Alrighty, so after a 2.5 hour wait, almost, not quite.
What have we done? 3 laps?
We've done 3 laps.
No, two laps. No, 3 laps.
3 laps now in 3 hours. Took 2 hours to get to the top, but now we'll just cycle some boards, get a few runs in, snow legs back, look at the Toblerone.
Enjoy the sun.
Enjoy the sun. That's the main thing.
Look at that view.
And over there's Chavinia. The place I blew my ACL. Good memories.